Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkeys Uncle Dubs Club. Today I received my new horn for my van, my VW T4 Transporter. I took the old one off, it wasn't very loud, it was a bit weak. Not the best horn for such a large vehicle. So I've ordered a new one. Let's see how this goes. Let's see what it looks like. I ordered it, came off eBay. I'll put the link for the products in the description below. Have a look. As you can see, it's one of the old antique sounding horns. It's got two plugs at the back, the same as fit on there, the spade end connectors. So it should be, hopefully, a straight swap. I just need to find a fixing bracket underneath. This one's a horn type R, antique horn. 12 volts. So let's see if we can get underneath the van to film it properly, and I'll show you me fixing it. And then hopefully, what it sounds like when we finish. Also, I forgot to mention in the kit it comes with two extra wires to help you connect it up and the fixing screw nut and bolt. Now the bolt will go in there like that, it's got a square head on it, so that'll go in there. I will put that up to the main body of the fixing bracket underneath the engine where we took the old horn off. So we'll get that on as quick as we can, and we'll show you what it looks like. So bear with us. So your wires that came with the horn, they've got the female end spade connectors on it. You'll need to put two male end connectors on to go actually into the horn wiring on the vehicle itself. These will go into the back of your horn, and these will go into the connector box. So you'll need a couple of, unfortunately it doesn't come with these, but you'll need a couple of those. We'll fix it on now. Okay, so now we're underneath the vehicle. You're going to need to turn your wheel, unless you've got it up on a jack, turn your wheel to get good access. And we're going to use the old bracket, the horn bracket that the original horn came off. Put the bolt in through there. And you have to make sure when you do this that your wheels won't catch on the horn when it turns. So you might have to reposition it about a little bit. This is a 10mm socket I'm using. You might find a better place to position this somewhere. You're going to need longer wires if you do. Somewhere further into the engine bay, but for the moment I'm just going to position it here and see how it works. Right, so now we need to connect our wires. I'm going to put a bit of tape around those just to give a little bit of extra water protection, a bit more of all the stuff off the road. But let's see how that goes. We'll go and put the ignition on and give it a quick test. Okay, as you can hear, that works. Hopefully, if you like the video, if you do, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the Monkeys Uncle Dubs Club. And for the eagle eyes amongst you, you probably noticed that I've just braided the shave of McMillan, and I'm now welcome to the Baldy Club. Thanks for watching. See you next time. The Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club.